So I have a Ninja blender pitcher lid, and this little flappy bit here for the pour spout has broken the little tab off. And this is a replacement. Now normally this would cost $6. I was provided it to review for free, but they haven't paid me for my review, so my opinions remain my own. And this guy here basically is a drop-in replacement for this guy here. You can see it looks very much like it. There are newer versions of this Ninja pitcher lid that have a different style, so make sure yours looks exactly like this for this particular replacement part. And I guess my only concern or question is how easy is it going to be for me to get this guy into place without breaking that guy off, because you have to get them into those little dots there. And I don't know if one's supposed to go in preferentially over the other one, but it looks like, you know, I should be able to kind of slide it in and snap it in place. So we're going to try it and hopefully not break the thing off the replacement here. So I'm basically sticking one side in, and then I'm going to push the other side down towards where it needs to be. And boy, it's tight, so I'm not sure. There's no instructions about how to get this in. Maybe you could kind of flex it like that a little bit to get it in here. I'm going to try flexing and see if that gives me any benefits. Okay, doesn't look like I need to use the channel locks. Eventually what I ended up doing was putting it in one side and just kind of pushing the heck down out of the other side to get it in there. So it is fitting very well. It snaps on very tightly. I'm not worried about that thing coming off. You know, I can't like push it through here. When I snap it open, it will stay at any particular setting you put it, you know, so there's a lot of friction in there. Might be, as you know, I use it more and more, it'll get a little looser. But that is a very tight fit, but it does fit, and it did pop in without breaking off the tab, so it's definitely better than what I had before. So I think that's worth the money if you need one of these to replace it for your pitcher lid. And for me especially, because this particular color, you can't buy a replacement lid in that color, so I really needed to replace just that part.